Good morning, I'm Millie, and this is your daily outlook for Monday, the 17th of December. The euro continues to strengthen as investors' risk appetite enjoys a boost on positive Eurozone and US economic data. It seems that the market is not pricing in a worst-case scenario for America's fiscal cliff situation, even though there is no real development besides some media statements. The highlight for today is the behavior of the yen following Japan's election results this weekend, in which the Liberal Democratic Party won. The party's victory increases the likelihood of more quantitative easing in Japan, which would weaken the yen and help the country's export economy. The yen has been weakening for a number of weeks, and it will be interesting to see how it will perform from now on. The S&P and the Nasdaq indices have retraced slightly lower off this year's highs, and market participants will monitor their price behavior in order to try and benefit from lower entry points into long positions. Equity indices tend to be strong in December, and this can also be seen in the steady appreciation of the FTSE and the DAX. Gold is falling against the US dollar early in the EU session today, having broken below Friday's low, with short-term support coming in at 1688.75. Now let's have a look at what the currencies are doing this morning. The euro has a pivot at 131.25 with a preference to go long above that level. Dollar-yen's pivot is 83.70 with a preference to go long above 83.70. The Aussie USD has a pivot at 105.65 with a preference to sell below that level. The sterling's pivot is 161.35 with a preference to go long above there. The dollar CAD has a pivot at 0.9840 with a preference to go long above there. And now let's take a look at the commodities. The oil's pivot is 85.80 with a preference to go long above 85.80. The gold's pivot is 1700 with a preference to sell below that level. Silver's pivot is 32.70 with a preference to sell below 32.70. The US 500's pivot is 14.20 with a preference to sell below that level. The UK 100's pivot is 59.15 with a preference to go long above 59.15. For more information, please visit us on www.easy-forex.com. On behalf of everyone at Easy Forex, I wish you a great start to the week. Thank you. For more information, please visit www.easy-forex.com. On today's calendar, the market movers are: in the US, we have the New York Fed Manufacturing Index at 13:30 GMT, and in Europe, the ECB President speaks at 14:30 GMT. Today's pair to watch and trade is the dollar-yen. The dollar recorded a 20-month high against the yen today after the markets opened. The pair hit 84.48, a figure not seen since April 2011. The dollar-yen is now hovering above 84, and a break and hold above 84.50 could pave the way for new higher highs. On behalf of everyone at Easy Forex, I wish you a great start to the week. Thank you.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.